What's going on, guys? I'm back. It's your boy, Dwayne Hefe down up with your bang. You know what I'm saying? This is the Modern Bachelor. Back at y'all with another video. I think this is the third upload. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe.
I'm going up like a UFO, man, I'm gold, and I'm with these hoes, make them
get into the energy, because we bringing it into y'all heavy, you know what I'm saying, from 2022 and beyond. We get into this. Anyway, so you read the title. This is top three colognes. If you know, like a hippie stoner, you know, burly type of dude, you know, you may smoke a little bit. You know, I smoke a little bit. You know, I don't smoke cigarettes. I don't smoke Black & Milds. I don't smoke cigars. But you know what we burn over here. But I chief a little bit. I indulge. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes, you know, I have an odor that carries with me. I don't always smoke and then go out in my clothes, but sometimes the smell is just there. So I found some scents over the years that work for me. And these are the top 3 colognes that you should have if you like, you know, if you smoke cigarettes or whatever, you know, pipe tobacco, hookah. These scents they're gonna stay on you and they're gonna cling to you and it's gonna go good with the smoke. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start with an honorable mention. It didn't make it into the top 3. I could have did a top 5, but I just felt it would be better, you know, top 3, because y'all don't want people to be overwhelmed. Sometimes you can have too many options. So we're gonna go with the honorable mention, and this is like really, it's a strong honorable mention. The Creed Royal Oud. Yeah. The Creed Royal Oud right here by House of Creed. You know how they do in the videos on YouTube. Yeah. So this right here, man, this smells incredibly sweet. Doesn't last that long. Has a woody smell to it. Most of the fragrances I got have like a woody type of spice and scent to it. But this right here is just, man, listen, this is a strong honorable mention. Trust me on this one. You want this on, look, you want this somewhere in your apartment, your condo, your bachelor pad, and your bed. You want this somewhere. For them nights you want to go out, you want to be low key, but they gonna notice you with this wrong right here. So this is a Royal Oud Creed, man. This small bottle still run you like a couple hundred. So yeah, check this out. Royal Oud Creed. Let me get one. Yeah, that shit smell amazing. That smell amazing right there. Okay, now so we got that. We're gonna come back to Creed in a second, but number 1. Or I should say number 3. We're gonna start with number 3. This is a pretty basic one, been around for a long time, you know. Mine is actually empty. I need to get another one. This one is Bleu de Chanel. Now, this is for the young whippersnappers who just trying to get into the fragrance game, you know what I'm saying? You new to it. You wanna go ahead and get you the Bleu de Chanel. This one is the Parfum. I believe you can get the Eau de Toilette, which would be a little bit lighter on you, and it smells a little bit more fresher. This one smells a little bit darker. It has more wood into it. It has more of a dark amber smell, and you know, but this gets attention too. But a lot of people hip to this, but you should look. Go ahead and get it. Smell good. You know, it's okay to get you something nice and smell good from time to time. This goes good when you know, just getting out the car. Back in the day, I used to smoke Newport 100s. So I used to smoke, and it just worked with the cigarettes. And women used to stop me all the time, like, God damn, you smell good. So trust me on that one. You want to get this right here. The Bleu de Chanel right here. This the Parfum, you know what I'm saying? It's a little bit heavier, but you know, get this right here. So this number 3, Bleu de Chanel. This run you about like, this one is the Parfum. This probably run you about like 90 to 100 for this right here, so yeah. All right, number 2. Now we're back to Creed. Number 2, man, you should really have this. Now this is when, you know, you celebrating 420, you know, Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Cumpleaños, you know, when you doing Hanukkah or Kwanzaa, you know, you lighting them trees on Christmas Day on 420. Any day really, if you've been burning and you want to go somewhere, you're like, man, I'm really not trying to have nobody even think that I smell like something. You want to Ginsu, karate chop, all that. You want to go ahead and go to this Creed Aventus right here. This smells like I'm riding a dragon with a steel Ginsu blade with a diamond encrusted handle, man. Like this shit. Creed Aventus, like this smells so good. This gonna run you about $350. This gonna run you about $380 right here. This gonna run you. But trust me when I say this bottle right here is worth it. This should get you through a year plus. You don't need to be spraying it every day. This could be party time, weekend vibes. You wanna, go grocery shopping. You wanna throw this on right here. This is just like, this is like, 2-3 times a week. You wanna throw this on. But this right here gonna get rid of all that smoky smell. It's gonna kill it. It's gonna drown out. This has a floral scent to it. Like it smells very like a bouquet. Not roses, but like maybe like dandelions or tulips. It just smells floral. It's bright. Still a little woody. Not sweet at all. It's just real distinctive, and like I said, it really reminds me of like rain water on metal. Like has like a little bit of metallic like hint to it. This is very good. This is very good right here. Get this. Creed Aventus, ladies and gentlemen. Creed Aventus. And last but not least, this one is the showstopper. This has became my scent. This has became trademark. The Ferragamo Umu. This right here, as you see, I be using it. This is like my third bottle. Like this right here, like I can spray it on right now. They can smell this through the mask. I've had women stop me with their mask on. What are you wearing? This right here, I'm wearing Ferragamo. This right here, probably like $90, $100 for this bottle. I hope they still got. I might have to get a couple. I bought my dad, he didn't open it and he tripping. I had just people, women just stop me from out of nowhere. What are you wearing? What is that? Ferragamo, love. Ferragamo, like Ferragamo Umu. They have a sport version. It's okay. This right here gets attention. This could be the daily one. This could be like, you smoke. It's gonna kill that. It's gonna dampen it. It's gonna dampen it real nice. This is real sweet. This gonna work real nice with the smoke smell. Like. It's gonna make you smell like a tobacco, woody, burning ember, but you smell like you got like a glass of amaretto with Henny, maybe like some chocolate. This right here, like ooh, the Ferragamo. And then this lasts a long time, and then the longer it sits on you, the better it smells. The better it smells. Like. And you can mix match this with some colognes. Like I have Creed Original Centaur. That goes great. Spray about 5-6 sprays of this, and then hit the Original Centaur like right on your forearm. And then one time right here, and then like mix it. You can mix your colognes. That's some advanced technique for y'all. Some of y'all should be mixing y'all colognes. Just try it out. You know what I'm saying? Try it out. We'll talk about that in another video. But this right here, this is the one. If you smoking, it's gonna help you out tremendously, and it's gonna get attention. This is gonna get some attention. If you get this and you married, your wife gonna be a hater. Trust me. Fellas, if you having problems getting women, get the Ferragamo. Trust me. If you smoke, get the Ferragamo. Trust me. If you don't smoke, get the Ferragamo. Trust me. Ferragamo. So this is the number one right here. This number, hands down, this wasn't even a thought. I bought this bottle least, this is probably like my 4th bottle, I think I said. So, and I bought it as gifts to other people because this smells amazing, and I don't hear nobody really bragging about this, and I don't want them really doing that because this gets all types of women. I'm talking about Anglo-Saxons. I'm talking about the Vikings. I'm talking about the Shivas and the Indians and the other communities, your diaspora community. They all notice that Ferragamo. It's the one, baby. So yeah, that's the top 3 stoner colognes. If you smoking, smokes. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Modern Bachelor. I hope you like this content. I hope that was helpful. I hope it was entertaining for y'all. And yeah, you know, be safe in whatever you do. Keep growing, keep prospering, and yeah, live every day like it's the last one. I'm out, baby. Oh yeah. Go on my Twitter, Hefe Down Patron, and then my Instagram, Hefe Down Patron. Go ahead and listen to my music. I'm gonna put the links, all that in the description box. Dwayne Bane, everything. YouTube, SoundCloud, Spotify. Dwayne Bane. So yeah, check out my stuff, support, and again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.
I'm going up like a UFO, man, I'm golden, I'm with these